Welcome to this tutorial on creating a Udemy account. Udemy is one of the world's largest online learning platforms. The platform hosts over 185,000 courses and serves 49 million students globally. Creating an account is completely free and only takes a few minutes of your time. Once you've set up your account, you'll be able to start learning new skills immediately. To begin creating your Udemy account, you'll first need to open your preferred web browser. Next, type www.udemy.com in your browser's address bar and press Enter. The Udemy homepage will display featured courses, categories, and a prominent sign-up option in the top right corner. Alternatively, you can download the Udemy mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you prefer to access courses on your smartphone or tablet. Remember, you can access Udemy on your computer through any web browser or on your mobile devices through the official Udemy app. Now let's find the Sign Up option on Udemy's website. On the Udemy website, the Sign Up button is located in the upper right corner of the screen. It's typically displayed right next to the Login option and is highlighted in orange to stand out. Simply click on the Sign Up button to proceed to the account creation page. If you're using the mobile app, the process is similar. When you first open the Udemy mobile app, you'll see the Sign Up option prominently displayed. Tap on the Sign Up button to begin creating your Udemy account. If you're accessing the app for the first time, you'll see these options immediately. Otherwise, you can find them in the Account section. Once you've located and clicked the Sign Up button, you'll be ready to choose your sign-up method. Now let's explore the different ways you can sign up for Udemy. Udemy offers multiple ways to create an account. You can sign up using your email address, which gives you complete control over your account details. Or you can use your existing Apple, Facebook, or Google account for a quicker registration process. Let's compare the different sign-up methods to help you choose. Using a social media account speeds up the process as it automatically fills in some of your information. But using email gives you more control over your account details, though it requires manual information entry. Choose the sign-up method that's most convenient for you. Consider your preferences for speed versus control. Remember, your choice only affects how you sign up. All users get the same features once registered. For a faster registration process, Udemy lets you sign up using your social media accounts. You can choose to register using Facebook, Google, or Apple accounts. When you click on a social media button like Facebook, a pop-up window will appear. This window asks for permission to access specific information from your social media account, such as your name, email, and profile picture. After you grant permission by clicking Allow, Udemy will automatically create your account using the information from your social media profile. Even though your account is created automatically, you might need to take a few additional steps. In some cases, you may need to confirm your email address to verify your account. You might also be asked to add additional information to complete your profile, such as your interests or areas of study. After completing these steps, you'll be ready to verify your email and start exploring Udemy's course catalog. After registering for Udemy, check your email inbox for a verification message. You'll receive an email from Udemy with the subject Verify Your Udemy Account. Simply click the Verify Email button in the email to confirm your account. If you don't see the email in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder, search for Udemy, or try refreshing your inbox. Email verification is an important security step that confirms you own the email address, protects against unauthorized access, and is required to access all Udemy features. After verifying your email, Udemy prompts you to complete your profile. While completing your profile is optional, it helps Udemy personalize your experience with relevant course recommendations. First, you can select topics you're interested in learning about. This helps Udemy suggest courses tailored to your interests. Next, you can specify your current role or profession. This helps further refine course recommendations relevant to your field. You can also indicate your learning goals. Whether you're advancing your career or developing new skills, this information helps Udemy understand your motivations. To personalize your account, you can upload a profile picture. This is completely optional, but adds a personal touch to your profile. Once you've completed these steps, your profile is ready. Now Udemy can provide a more personalized learning experience based on your interests, profession, and goals. After setting up your account, Udemy will display course recommendations based on your interests. You can browse through these suggestions or use the search bar to find specific topics. Udemy allows you to filter courses by ratings, duration, level, and price to find exactly what you're looking for. Many courses offer free previews that let you watch a few lectures before deciding to enroll. Take some time to explore the platform and discover courses that match your learning objectives. Let's explore how to customize your account settings in Udemy. To access your account settings, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. The Account Settings page gives you access to all your preferences and account information. Here you can manage various aspects of your account, including language and currency preferences. You can set your preferred language for the Udemy platform, choose your currency for payments and course prices. Manage your notification preferences to control which emails you receive. Adjust privacy settings to control what others can see about your profile. After making changes, don't forget to save your preferences. Taking a moment to customize these settings ensures you'll have the best possible experience using Udemy.